my gosh, this is the best thing ever.
You guys already know I love Bridgerton. I stayed up all last night on a deranged bender watching the entire new season 3 episodes. And that's mostly because I love romance, but most of all, I love the aesthetic. The gowns, the architecture, it's just my absolute favorite thing. And since you already know I'm deranged enough to have a ballroom in my house, I figured, well, why not do this video?
Welcome to my ballroom, LOL. I know who has this in their house. It's deranged, but it's so fabulous. It really is just like Bridgerton in here. Like, is there anyone else who has this in their house? No. So I figured I'd be the perfect person to do this video. Yes, I will be going in and out of this accent the entire video. So now presenting my season of Bridgerton. Oh, I was born in the wrong millennium. Oh yes, a totally normal day in the office. George, are you ready? It's Bridgerton time! So here we are presenting look number 1. So this is the first fit. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is amazing. Look at this Regency style. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is just like Daphne. Beautiful little dress. This is the full Regency style with the bow, the lace, the gloves, the glamorous necklace. So this goes all the way to the floor like this to be, you know, a lady. I got this dress, believe it or not, on Amazon. I know, crazy. You guys know I never really wear dresses this long. I prefer short dresses. Yes, I'm the Viscountess of the Sky Castle. How funny is this too that I'm trying to be a lady and this is the fan that I bought in my stripper video. You know, get you a girl who can do both. La la la, la la la. Oh yes, let me just set up at the piano here. I must admit I'm not quite as good as Francesca, but I can pretend. Thank you. Lady Amber being presented by her dog, Georges. Lady Danbury, the pleasure is mine. This dress is actually beautiful. Look at the fabric, the lace detailing. Of course, my gloves. The jewelry is, of course, my jewelry line. 333. Unbelievable. So beautiful. So perfect for this video. Wow. Oh, I live for this. Fabulous. And now, to the next look. Oh, oops. Ah, yes, for a quick stroll around the park. Oh my gosh, I love this fit. It's like Mary Poppins gone Bridgerton. This is literally the kind of serve I hope to deliver every day of my life. Like, hello, serving. Can you believe I actually just had these shoes? These are like little Chanel pumps I've had for years. I must admit, I've always thought that if I was alive in the 1800s, I'd be one of those ladies on the street corner flashing her ankles. Just to cause a scene, you know? I want to join a musical. La, la. Ah yes, I'm just strolling through the park, casually looking for a husband. The skirt is actually just a giant petticoat. The random feather in my hair is just for a good time. Oh yes, I love hiking. This is my favorite nature outfit. Honestly, I think this is fire. This is definitely a Lady Amber. Lady Amber, pleasure to meet you. We all know if it was really me, it would be more like this, but you know, I'm gonna wear this to the club tonight. Ugh, like who would have even thought matching your gloves to your umbrella? Now that's fashion. So is wearing a ring outside of your glove a fit? Thank you, Julia. Yes. We gotta get this locked and loaded. Well, darling, the queen has arrived. Look at this dress, you guys. Now this is more like the queen kind of fashion. No one is impressing me. Honestly, this is a fit. Look at the top, the bow, this skirt. Wow. All right, I'm ready to pick my diamond of the season. Me. We love the queen. That's what I aspire to be someday, the queen of everything. Hello, everybody. Welcome in. I'm here to judge you and la 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 la. Can you believe I also got this on Amazon? Insane! They have everything on Amazon. So yeah, if you're looking for a random like Renaissance ball gown, this one's great. Looks so good with the emerald necklace. Wow, 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 wow. Just restocked these on 333, by the way. So gorgeous. The absolute best thing about wearing giant dresses like this, watch this. Oof. I love being a giant dress puddle on the floor. Also, I love how you look just like you're floating across the floor in these dresses. Amazing. Pumpkin, are you here? Do you like this dress? He does not care at all about anything. Ah yes, Queen Charlotte at your service. Perfect Trader Joe's attire. All right, moving on. Now number 4. Okay, wow, this one is actually beautiful. Oh, look at this. Really can't get enough of using the fans. Wow, we should totally bring this back. But ta-da! Here is the next look. An outfit you would wear to be presented. Look at the train. Oh my gosh, my gosh. Look how beautiful. Look at the fabric. It is gorgeous. It's like a pink satiny lace. Can you believe I got this on Amazon too? I know. This video is truly for entertainment purposes. I don't think any of you are out here buying these, but you know, like I said, if you want them, they're there on Amazon. Look at how beautiful. The one thing I do love about these dresses though is they're very conservative, which is not my thing, but then your boobs look amazing. They're like fully out. Kind of iconic, honestly. The sleeves too. This is like a very beautiful dress. Of course, the necklace and the earrings, again, 333. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my God, fabulous. Will I marry you? That depends. Are you the king of the world? No? Okay, then bye. Back it up, back it up. Thank you all for coming. Well, this one is much more Penelope Featherington. They were wearing the craziest things in their hair on Bridgerton the other day. Did you notice this? The whole like Swarovski figurine in the queen's outfit? I loved it. Ta-da! So I thought I would have some fun with the flowers on the dress and the flowers on my head. Because in Bridgerton land, this is normal. Aside of the flowers on my head, this is actually a little more subtle than the other looks. Beautiful naturey garden dress with some fancy sleeves. Oh no, my flowers. It's so ridiculous. I'm really into it. Surely my headpiece will get me in Miss Whistledown. Okay, next look. Oh yes, back for another stroll in the park. I love these kind of dresses. I was honestly born in the wrong era. I'm positive that I used to walk around like this on a random Tuesday. This dress is amazing. Look at the sleeves. Oh my gosh, it's couture. So this is actually just a plain blue dress. I added the corset and I added all the accessories, obviously, because that just is what makes it fabulous, and that's my job, is to make things fabulous. This is very Bridgerton walking through the park chic. Hello, sir. Please save me from a balloon. Wow, is this my favorite one? I think it is. Just waiting for my Uber, yes. You guys are never gonna guess where I got this either. That's right! Amazon! Who knew? Telling you guys, slowly but surely, I'm gonna bring this stuff back. I'm gonna carry this umbrella with every dress because I love it. Wow! This is what I imagine they would force Eloise to wear at some point, and she would want to die, but secretly she would love it because amazing. Oh, this is honestly what my mom's bridesmaids dresses looked like in the 80s. If I ever get married, I'm doing that too. But look at this. This dress is honestly serving. The corseting snatches your waist. This era of clothes is just everything. Oh my gosh. So lavish and ridiculous. Oh. It's actually not even earrings. This is a headband that has dangling behind it. And then this, of course, is the tennis necklace. So beautiful. Yes. Yes, hello. I'm late for my standing around appointment. Perfect casual Friday look. La 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 la. My lady. I know I've said like all of them are my favorite, but I really love this one. Whew. Definitely my courting outfit. Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Just kidding, I'm a lady. I'm telling you guys, this was my time. Anyways, oh, thanks for shopping. That was a really great transition that I didn't plan. Shout out to whoever that was. I'll send you your order for free. Who are you? Whoever you are, you're getting your order for free. So anyways, the jewelry in Bridgerton is just everything. I love it.
So my version of the Bridgerton jewels, like I said, are available on my website. So beautiful. We got the necklaces, we got the rings, and not to mention they're all $100 off right now, just to be nice because
that's just what a lady would do. So happy shopping, enjoy. Those are all linked below, like I said, and all these dresses too, if you're interested. So anyways, let's switch it up maybe. Let's change into something a little more fabulous. Oh yes, now that's more like it. Wow. Another queen look, here we go. Very again Queen Charlotte look. Oh my gosh, the big puffy skirt. The little bows, just love it. I love Bridgerton, wow. Bridgerton's a great show anyway, but it's literally just like my fantasy aesthetic too, so it's just, chef's kiss, the creme de la creme. Thank you, Shonda Rhimes. Also, guess what? You're never gonna guess where I found this. Good job, subjects. Amazon! Maybe that's what I am, the queen of Amazon. Another great part about all these dresses, I haven't been wearing shoes this whole video because you can't see them, so you can get away with sneakers. I wonder if that's what they were wearing when you were filming. Okay, next up. La 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 la. Ugh. This is the Rodeo Drive shopping look of the century, you guys. Well, speaking of how I was just saying you can get away with wearing no shoes with all of these, this one is just short enough that you have to wear shoes. So flashing our ankles, ladies. I imagine this would be the queen's wandering around the park outfit. Look at this. Oh, honestly, this is like really cute. We have like the blue, almost giving Dolce & Gabbana. I don't even need to tell you guys where I got this because you know it's Amazon, haha. But yeah, honestly, this is great. Look at that. Fire. Ooh, I feel so sexy in these. I know that's ridiculous, but when I wear stuff like this, I just feel like I can't wait to take all this off, you know? Honestly, this is a mood. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ooh. Oh, you guys are missing behind the scenes too. Julia has been helping tape me into all of these.
Like, I wish you had a closet so I could go.
It's so hard. Oh yes, and in today's totally ridiculous outfit of the day, here we go. This is a proper little Victorian dress, which again, I went ahead and put on a corset on. Oh, fabulous. I don't know where I'm going in this, to be honest. I guess just sitting in my living room because this is what they seem to wear when they just sit around their house. Oh my God, yes. Darling, I'm here to get gas for my car. Do you guys recognize this actually? This is my Venus de Milo Halloween costume that I just let out and wrapped around me as a kind of shawl because the ladies love their shawls. Again, another wonderful walk through the park fit. This is truly my time to shine. If anyone would like to cast me in Bridgerton, let me know. I'd love to be an extra for a day. I have the boobs for it. I'm ready. Now that's Bridgerton. Do you guys want to see my favorite party trick? When you're wearing a corset and you shake your hips back and forth. Na, 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 na. Don't demonetize me, YouTube, please. This one also, you can see your shoes. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Not glamorous. Well, it wouldn't be Bridgerton if I wasn't one of the street whores. Now this is who I would have really been back in the day. Anyways, yeah, this is what I would imagine I would wear if I worked at a brothel back in the day, but, yes. Fun little green, like, dress with the corset that I put on it. This was actually from my peacock costume a few years ago, so busted out the fan, and hello. That is such a serve. They definitely had lacy Louboutins in 1825 or whatever era this was supposed to be. Dun, 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 dun. My little lace gloves. Well, hello, darling. Come and get it. You know, if I got to hook up with Colin Bridgerton, I don't think I would have minded this job at all. Bow, chicka, wow, wow. Yes, it's $70 million an hour. I'm worth it. This is my bastard child with no husband. This is the oops, I killed my husband vibe. I've actually never seen anyone on the show wear black, I don't believe, but, well, maybe I could be the first. Honestly, I just really wanted to buy this hat for this haul. I inherited the whole fortune? Well, what a surprise. Now for the grand finale. The Bridgerton dress. Mostly because it matches the ballroom perfectly. Oh, so glamorous. Oh. Look at that train. Hello, my lord. Fabulous. Woo! That wasn't very ladylike. I would love to actually learn the waltz in real life. I feel like that would be fun. Why, George, you are a lovely dancer. Good sir, thank you for the dance. So there you have it. That was Lady Amber's season of Bridgerton. I always knew the ballroom would come in handy. And with that, fair people, I bid you adieu. Thank you for watching. Good night. Oh, this is such a normal day. Oh, you look beautiful. That is luscious. That is luscious, luscious, luscious. Ooh.
Welcome to Bridgerton.
Guys, welcome to Bridgerton.